Hey everyone, Joe here, founder of Supademo, with Kaushik and Takir here, making a cameo in the back. In January, we shipped some huge updates to help you better personalize, polish, and organize your content on Supademo. Here's everything you need to know in 3 minutes. First up, Hotspots 2.0. Hotspots are the foundation of interactive demos, so we redesigned the editor to give you significantly more control. You'll notice the editor is now organized into 3 clear sections. Content lets you edit the text and alignment. Appearance gives you new design controls, including hotspot styles, like new border radius and backdrop options. You can now choose how rounded your hotspots are, from subtle corners all the way to pill-style designs, depending on whether you want something more enterprise or something more playful. Similarly, you can use backdrops to narrow the viewer's attention on cluttered or busier pages. Navigation is where things get really powerful. You can now get full control over hotspot buttons, including hiding or showing individual next and back buttons on specific pages. You can also change button colors to match your brand or route users to an external URL like a pricing page, sign up flow, or book a demo page. The result is demos that feel more intentional, tailored, and guided. Next up, AI demo editing, now in beta. This is all about helping you personalize your content at scale without the effort. Imagine you recorded a demo template using US data, prices in US dollars, English language labels, and sample metrics that make sense for a generic audience. Now, you want to send that same demo template to a company in the automotive industry in the EU. Instead of cloning or re-recording, you can now easily duplicate the demo, select relevant elements, click Edit with AI, and prompt Supademo AI to localize it. In seconds, you can switch currencies from USD to euros, update the data to reflect automotive metrics and naming, and even adjust language or terminology that better fits your audience. Preview everything instantly and accept, reject, or fine-tune with another prompt. One base demo can now turn into hundreds of tailored versions without the manual rebuilds. This is a big step towards demos that adapt as fast as your conversations do. Once you're creating more demos, the next challenge is categorization and organization. That's where demo tags come in. You can now tag demo directly. You can create new ones on the fly, you can assign colors, and you can even filter your entire workspace in just a few clicks. Sales teams can tag by persona, while marketing teams can do it by campaign. Same demos, just much easier to find. Finally, we shipped several platform-wide accessibility improvements. This includes better keyboard navigation, improved screen reader support, and an updated VPAT report that keeps us accountable for investing in Supademo for everyone. You can check out the full report at any time directly on the Supademo website. So that's the Supademo January update. More precise controls with Hotspots 2.0, faster personalization with AI demo editing, and better organization as your demo library scales. As always, we'd love to hear your feedback directly at feedback.supademo.com. Otherwise, see you in the next update, which will be a big one. Thanks.